Discover amazing garden inventions and gadgets you didn't know about. From smart irrigation to electric shovels, these innovative tools make gardening easier, faster, and more fun. Stay tuned to explore 10 must-have devices that will transform your garden experience. The double-wheel hoe is a game-changer for quick and easy weeding. Its 2 wheels offer superior control, making it perfect for navigating tight spaces between garden beds. Designed with an ergonomic triangular shape and adjustable height, it helps reduce wrist strain, so you can work comfortably longer. This versatile hoe works with a variety of attachments, from a rake to a rotary finger weeder, and can even convert into a single-wheel version for added flexibility. Whether you're a casual gardener or a pro, the double-wheel hoe makes garden maintenance easier and more efficient. You can get yours for about $479 and take your weeding game to the next level. This shovel combines a classic design with smart innovation. It raised over $60,000 on Kickstarter and caught the attention of top media like the Wall Street Journal. What makes it unique? A second handle that rotates 360 degrees and locks into 16 positions. This design gives you a comfortable grip and reduces strain on your knees, lower back, arms, and spine. Using this shovel feels easier on your joints and muscles, making your work more comfortable and efficient. The Bosse tool shovel comes in different versions: flathead, spade, and snow shovel, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. You can grab one for about $90 and enjoy a smarter way to shovel. Rotary Garden designs innovative hydroponic systems with one goal: to bring fresh, tasty, and affordable produce to your table. Tackling the challenges of urban gardening, their compact system looks like a washing machine drum but delivers 3 to 5 times the yield compared to traditional setups. Perfect for tight city spaces, the rotating drum makes watering and lighting plants easier and more efficient. Plus, the built-in ionizer helps purify the air around your plants. Rotary Garden's smart design is changing how we grow food in urban environments, bringing sustainable, high-quality produce closer to home. This could be the next big breakthrough in agriculture. Say goodbye to kneeling and back pain with the CULTI-WEEDER TORNADICA. This affordable tool, priced at just $46, combines a weed cutter and cultivator in one. It loosens soil up to 5 centimeters deep, breaks up clumps, and cuts weed roots all at once. The adjustable design lets you walk comfortably beside your work without stepping on the cultivated strip. Compared to a regular shovel, the CULTI-WEEDER TORNADICA speeds up weeding and soil prep by 3 to 5 times, making your gardening faster and easier. The Rotoshovel is an electric shovel designed to make digging easy and effortless. With its built-in auger system, you can say goodbye to blisters, sweat, and tough digging. Whether you're planting trees, setting fence posts, or digging trenches, the Rotoshovel handles it all with ease. Its powerful battery offers up to 2 hours of continuous use, letting you dig as many as 200 holes without stopping. If you want to save time and energy in the garden, this electric shovel is a game changer for any DIY or professional project. Imagine growing fresh vegetables, herbs, and juicy fruit right at home. No soil, no pests, and no weather worries. Nutraponics makes this possible with their innovative hydroponic systems. You can set one up in just 30 minutes, and these towers easily expand by adding more units. The automated system controls humidity, pH, temperature, and more, so your plants thrive effortlessly. With Nutraponics, you'll harvest up to 6 times faster and get 40% bigger crops using 95% less water than traditional gardening. Grow bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, and more all year round, saving money and space. A basic 72 plant tower costs around $1,800, perfect for fresh, homegrown produce anytime. The Aqua Joe Yard Patrol is more than just a sprinkler, it's your lawn's animal deterrent. Equipped with a built-in motion sensor covering 120 degrees, it detects animals day and night and sprays them with water to keep your yard safe. You can choose between a narrow jet or a gentle mist spray. Plus, it features a timer that activates every 10, 20, or 30 minutes for automatic watering. With a maximum spray range of about 13 meters, it's powered by an integrated solar panel, so no batteries or cords are needed. All these smart features come at an affordable price of just $25, making the Aqua Joe Sprinkler a smart, budget-friendly choice for a healthier lawn. Meet Irrigreen, a smart digital irrigation system designed to save water and money. On a 186 square meter lawn, it uses up to 50% less water, saving about 1,594 liters each month. Irrigreen automatically adjusts watering based on real-time weather, cutting back when it's rainy and increasing during dry periods. You can also control it anytime from your phone with an easy-to-use app. Installation is simple, so no expert skills needed to keep your lawn healthy and green. The starter kit, which includes one sprinkler, costs around $2,000. If you want an eco-friendly, efficient way to irrigate your yard, Irrigreen is a smart choice that pays off over time. The Igloo Power Plus mower can transform even the most neglected lawn into a lush, green carpet. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it feels like driving a Formula One car thanks to its unique steering wheel and e-steer system, the first of its kind. The built-in display shows all essential info, and you can switch driving modes or activate cruise control with one button. Powered by up to 6 batteries using Peak Power Plus technology, it matches the power of a 22 horsepower gas mower. It reaches speeds up to 13 kilometers per hour and can mow a full hectare on 4 fully charged batteries. Premium features include LED headlights, a USB charging port. This advanced mower comes at a premium price of around $5,000, but it's packed with unbeatable performance and convenience. The Garden Igloo Dome is your perfect outdoor escape. Whether you want to relax with a book, host a small party, or enjoy a romantic dinner without mosquitoes, this igloo has you covered. Its uses are only limited by your imagination. Plus, it's not just for gardens. You can set it up on rooftops, making it an ideal, creative solution for hotels and restaurants. The latest V2 model features a 3.6-meter dome, costs around $1,150, and can handle temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius. Best of all, it's quick and easy to assemble, taking just 2 hours. Enjoy cozy, bug-free outdoor moments anytime with the Garden Igloo. Known for their rainwater collection systems, Garantia also offers smart gardening solutions like these innovative raised garden beds. They're perfect if you want to avoid bending over while planting or weeding. The modular design lets you easily extend the length and height, and best of all, they assemble without any tools. It's an ideal solution for gardeners with grassy yards who don't want to dig up the ground for traditional beds. With Garantia Raised Beds, you get a hassle-free setup, better posture, and a stylish way to grow your favorite plants or veggies right in your backyard. If you found these garden gadgets helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow green thumbs, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart gardening tips and tools. Your dream garden is just one click away.